were at Rebel.
Oh, yeah. You're my boy, Blue. You're my boy. The 70s were hard on this guy.
Did you gamble at all? Do you gamble?
What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Why am I still here? Only for a moment.
Yo, so I got fucking Zeke, dude. Like, fucking, I shaved my head yesterday, right? I gave that shit to you, Hoss. Like, shave me up in the back, like, boom, boom, boom. Like, I did it with a 4, right? So the dude takes a 0 and just goes straight up my head. So I had him, like, fade it, like, but you can probably still see it. It's, like, straight ear on a 0.
I'm an ironworker. Union.
Thought you were on an acid trip.
30 years I followed somebody. Hey.
What's the burgers looking like in the back? You got a lot or no? I'm fucking hungry.